तुम किससे प्यार करते हो? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? मुझे कल फोन करना। Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए। You should take a rest. You should take a rest. दवाई समय पर लो। Take medicine on time. Take medicine on time. उसका पेट खराब है। He has an upset stomach. He has an upset stomach. मेरे पेट में गैस बन गई है। I have a bloated stomach. I have a bloated stomach. मेरी गर्दन अकड़ गई है। I have got a stiff neck. I have got a stiff neck. उसके मुंह में छाले हो गए हैं। She has mouth ulcers. She has mouth ulcers. ये इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है। It is not rocket science. It is not rocket science. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? Now may I something? Now may I something? कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए। Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. समझदार को इशारा ही काफी है। A nod is enough to wise. A nod is enough to wise. तुमने बहुत देर लगाई। You took a long time. You took a long time. हाँ कहने में क्या जाता है? What goes to say yes? What goes to say yes? जाओ एक कुर्सी ले आओ। Go and get a chair. Go and get a chair. एक गिलास पानी ले आओ। Go and get a glass of water. Go and get a glass of water. मैं वो करूँगा जो मेरा मन करेगा। I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. क्या जरूरत थी बोलने की? What was the need to speak? What was the need to speak? क्या तुम कुछ खाओगे? Will you eat something? Will you eat something? मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. अब सोने का समय हो गया है। It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। I am not feeling well today. I am not feeling well today. मुझे बुखार जैसा लग रहा है। I am feeling feverish. I am feeling feverish. मेरे सर में दर्द भी है। I have a headache too. I have a headache too. सर में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है। I have a bad headache. I have a bad headache. मेरा सर दर्द से फटा जा रहा है। I have a splitting headache. I have a splitting headache. ज्यादा देर तक मत जागना। Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. क्या तुम कुछ कर रहे हो? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? क्या तुम कुछ पढ़ रहे हो? Are you reading something? Are you reading something? मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा। I don't feel like eating food. I don't feel like eating food. मैंने कल रात एक बुरा सपना देखा। I had a nightmare last night. I had a nightmare last night. मैं तुरंत नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming at once. I am not coming at once. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to say anything. There is no need to say anything. सम्मान दो और सम्मान प्राप्त करो. Give respect and take respect. Give respect and take respect. लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे? What will people think about us? What will people think about us? So that's it for. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत बोल सकता हूँ. Yes, I can speak a little. Yes, I can speak a little. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. तुम्हारी इच्छा क्या है? What do you want? What do you want? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you like. As you like. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go out. I want to go out. क्या तुम खाना खाओगे? Would you like to have food? Would you like to have food? नहीं, मैं अभी खाकर आया हूँ. No, I have just finished eating. No, I have just finished eating. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. आपको आना ही होगा. You have to come. You have to come. मैं आपके बिना नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go without you. I will not go without you. आप मेरी जिंदगी हो. You are my life. You are my life. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. हमें देर हो रही है. We are getting late. We are getting late. हमारी ट्रेन छूट जाएगी. We will miss our train. We will miss our train. फिर हमें अगली ट्रेन से जाना पड़ेगा. Then we will have to go by the next train. Then we will have to go by the next train. गाड़ी इस साइड लगा दो. Park the car on this side. Park the car on this side. मैं गाड़ी पार्क करके आता हूँ. I will park the car and come back. I will park the car and come back. ये होटल बहुत अच्छा है. This hotel is very nice. This hotel is very nice. क्या तुम्हें ये पसंद आया? Do you like this one? Do you like this one? कोई और दिखाओ. Show something else. Show something else. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं. I don't like it. I don't like it. उसे एक तरफ कर दो। पुट इट असाइड, पुट इट असाइड। मैं इसे बाद में देख लूंगा। आई विल लुक एट इट लेटर, आई विल लुक एट इट लेटर। पहले कुछ और दिखाओ। शो समथिंग एल्स फर्स्ट, शो समथिंग एल्स फर्स्ट। क्या पता मुझे कुछ और पसंद आए। Who knows I will like anything else? Who knows I will like anything else? इसका रंग अच्छा नहीं। Its color is not good. Its color is not good. ये रंग मुझ पर नहीं जचता। This color doesn't suit me. This color doesn't suit me. मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. बाकी भगवान पर छोड़ दो। Leave the rest to God. Leave the rest to God. तुम तो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हो। You are a very good person. You are a very good person. तुम जैसा कोई नहीं। There is no one like you. There is no one like you. तुमसे बात करके अच्छा लगता है। It feels good to talk to you. It feels good to talk to you. सिर्फ तुम ही हो जो मुझे समझते हो। You are the only one who understands me. You are the only one who understands me. मुझे कोई नहीं समझता। Nobody understands me. Nobody understands me. मैं अकेला रहना चाहता हूँ। I want to be alone. I want to be alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. उसे जाने दो। Let him go. Let him go. मुझे मेरे हालात पर छोड़ दो। Leave me to my circumstances. Leave me to my circumstances. तुम अपना ध्यान रखो। You take care of yourself. You take care of yourself. मैं अपना ध्यान रख सकता हूँ। I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. अपनी औकात में रहो। Be in your limits. Be in your limits. अपनी औकात मत भूलो। Don't forget your status. Don't forget your status. पुराने दिनों को याद करो। Remember the old days. Remember the old days. हम बहुत खुश रहते थे। We used to live happily. We used to live happily. हम रोज पार्क जाया करते थे। We used to go to the park every day. We used to go to park every day. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत। How dare you? How dare you? क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते? Don't you love me? Don't you love me? क्या तुम्हें मुझसे कोई लगाव नहीं है? Don't you have any attachment to me? Don't you have any attachment to me? क्या मैं तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं लगता? Do I feel nothing to you? Do I feel nothing to you? तुम मेरे सब कुछ हो। You are my everything. You are my everything. मैं तुम्हारे बिना कुछ नहीं। I am nothing without you. I am nothing without you. ऐसी बातें मत करो। Don't talk like this. Don't talk like this. तुम कल क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? कल मैं मूवी देखने जाऊंगा. Tomorrow I will go to watch a movie. Tomorrow I will go to watch a movie. कौन सी मूवी? Which movie? Which movie? क्या तुमने कल का अखबार पढ़ा? Did you read yesterday's newspaper? Did you read yesterday's newspaper? नहीं, मेरे पास समय नहीं था. No, I didn't have time. No, I didn't have time. तुम्हारी फैमिली में कितने मेंबर हैं? How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? मेरी फैमिली में 5 मेंबर हैं. There are 5 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. मैं अपने पापा से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. I love my father very much. I love my father very much. फिर मिलते हैं. See you again. See you again.